Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or solve Spotify keeps closing. To know how to fix or solve Spotify keeps closing, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will enter to the window of Spotify. Then in this page of app info, you click on force stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache. When you find here clear data, then you can don't click here because that can make errors. And then you can go to your airplane mode, you can turn on, and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.